And that is how you replace the sprayer hose. Like I said, I'm not a plumber or anything, but here's where you could see the damage and why it was leaking. Okay, so lately this spray has been having issues leaking where this meets the hose, and there's actually some damage to the hose itself, so I need to actually replace this, and that's why I bought this set here. So theoretically, all I should have to do is go down here, and right where that white piece is, that's the hose that is connecting to the sprayer up top. So theoretically, all I should have to do is press on that black button there, take out the hose, and put in the new one. So let's see if it is that easy. Okay, so as you can see, I just pressed on that black part and disconnected the hose from that connector there. And now I'm just gonna pull this all the way through, like so. I'm just gonna leave it in the sink because there's still some water leaking out there, and we're gonna get the new sprayer. Okay, I got the new hose here. I'm just gonna feed it through like so. Now I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so I won't be able to film this part, but you get the idea. Okay, here we are under the sink once again. So we're gonna connect that end of the sprayer to that white connector that I disconnected from the previous one. Okay, and I just connected the hose to that white connector there, and when you push in, you should hear a click, and that's how you know it should be secure. Let's go run a little water here to make sure there isn't any type of leak going on. Okay, as you can see, there's water filling that hose, but no leak. Okay, that's what you want to see. And let's just test the sprayer here. And there we go. We have the sprayer working. I have it on low. Let me just turn it to full blast here, and boom, you can see just like that, sprayer works, and it was so easy to replace. I'm not a plumber by any means or anything like that, but let's just make sure no leak going on. And yeah, and that is how you replace a sprayer.